Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, guess what, guys? I have 999 subscribers, and I only need one more to get to 1,000. So whoever you are, I hope you're watching this, because if it's you who clicks on and subscribes to make my 1,000th subscriber, I have something I want to send you, and you're going to love it. So in this video, if you're 1,000, please post, comment, it was me, raise your hand, me, because I have something I want to send you, but I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you're going to love it. So anyhow, I'm so thankful to all my new subscribers, and this is making my day. I appreciate you all so much. Anyhow, yes, I'm very happy. I don't know what else to say. So whoever you are, number 1,000, please post in this video, and I will send you something. We will connect. Alrighty. Catch you later. Have a great day.